Hey guys, so I'm so excited about filming this unboxing of this Happy Planner Disney Princess collab. I did purchase this off of Walmart.com. This is the dated version. I know that they have undated versions as well. So I wanted to film this unboxing in case you do pick up the undated version, just to kind of see like what comes in this set. And I think actually at some Walmarts they actually put it on clearance, and then also if you can't find it on either Walmart.com or in Walmart stores, I'm pretty sure I saw it in stock on happyplanner.com. So if you are a Disney fan like I am, and are interested in seeing what's in the set, then keep on watching. So this is what the set looks like, and it comes with the actual planner, and with the planner you get a really cute bookmark, and this is what kind of the inside looks like. I'm going to do a full flip through of this planner in a separate video. And then, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, alright, so the next thing after the planner is this really cute, I guess like folder type thing that you can stick in your planner like so. And this is really cute for like stickers or like post-its or anything like that. So really cute. And this is what it looks like. It says you are made of magic, and it goes with the whole Cinderella theme. And okay, how does this thing? Okay, so I guess I'll just pull apart the sticker set. So with this set, you do get 3 stickers, or 3 sheets of stickers. So this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. And then I guess the last thing in here is this really cute post-it set. So I guess you gotta like take the glue apart from here, but you can also stick this in your planner like so, which is really cute. Also goes with the princesses in this kit. So yeah, I think it's a great value for what you get, and definitely worth it if you ask me. So yeah, so I guess as a quick recap, you got this sticker sheet, this other sticker sheet, this other sticker sheet, really cute bookmark set, really cute envelope, and of course the planner itself. So yeah, like I said, I'm probably going to do like a separate flip through in another video. But I guess I could just maybe do like a quick flip through of the dashboards in case you're curious or interested. So this is January, this is February, this is March, this is April, this is May, this is June, this is July, This is August, September, October, November, and finally December. So yeah, very cute. This is what the back looks like. This is what the front cover looks like, the front and the back, in case you're curious. So yeah, so great value. Really excited to use this stuff. Again, there's undated versions as well. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.